Hey, listen, I have something important to share with you. Now, you've tried to get a TIN number and you've not been able to do that. And you've been even running around trying to get a tax ID as well, but you have not been able to get it. This is the story of so many after they have heard about what is going on and the current rumors that, okay, what if you don't have a tax ID, you will not be able to operate your bank account. And if you have a bank account, the bank account will be closed. And if your bank account is closed, that might mean a lot of issue. You might have to pay a lot of money to get it open, and it will be a lot of stress for you. And I know a lot of people don't like stress. Some of us just want to be at ease to get things done without stress and let our money probably work for us, right? That is why in this video I'll be guiding you through how to carry out tax ID creation. So I will be showing you how you can create your tax ID by yourself and for yourself. Now, when you are done creating the tax ID, I will show you what you'll be learning later in the video. Walk through a proper guide on how to create the tax ID with the JTB platform. So once you go to the JTB platform, you're able to create your tax ID. So without any further ado, let's go into the video.
All right, hello guys. This is how you process your JTB TIN from scratch, right? Just go to the browser, go to the JTB TIN website. Just go to jtbtin.gov.ng. Once you get to jtbtin.gov.ng, depending on the kind of thing you want to carry out, you can come down here and select either individual or non-individual thing. So individual thing is specifically for yourself, while the non-individual is for your business, for business name, for company, or for incorporate trustee, depending on the one you want to do. So once you come here, you select. So let's say I want to do for individual thing. You click on the individual thing portion, so it will redirect to tin.jtb.gov.ng/tin request, right? So that's how it's going to go. So once you get to this part of the page, you just need to insert your BN number, your BVN number for individual, your date of birth, and then your last name. And then you click I'm not a robot, and all that will happen is for you to insert or input other details like your address, your occupation, and many other details that are just personal to you, right? So if we're going for a non-individual thing, all you need to do is click on this register thing non-individual, and it will prompt you to select the kind of organization you want to carry out the registration for, either incorporated trustee, limited by guarantee, whatever option you want. You select. Let's say I want to do for a business name. You select that. I put in the registration number of your business, so you can put, if the registration number is for instance BN whatever the number is, that's for business name. If it's for company, RC, whatever the company number is. If it's for incorporated trustee, you put IT incorporated trustee and then the number, and then immediately it will automatically generate and pop up and give you the details of the company, already registered details, that is including your registered business address, the name of the proprietor, the director, the trustee, depending on whatever type of registration you're doing, and all other information, right? So once those information comes through, then you're good to go with the registration. Fill in wherever it's marking as red. So once that is done, then you're ready to carry out to complete your TIN number registration, and then it will generate a request ID for you that will be sent to the email that you are provided during the registration process. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So another third option is that you can go to the Google Play Store and download the app, right? There's an app, JTB TIN app. Just come here and search for JTB TIN, right? JTB TIN app. So you can install the app. It makes you to be able to track your registration processes very easily. Where's the TIN app? Okay, you can get it from their website. So let's just get it from the website. Okay, it seems the app is no longer functional right now. It's not. I don't think the app is no longer on Play Store for now, right? So, but meanwhile, you can see that I already have the TIN installed, right? JTB TIN app installed. So, if you have it installed, so if you're able to navigate through the website and get it installed, you can still carry out all these processes right there. So that means on this particular app, I can, find my way around and then get things done right here. I can check the nearest tax office if I want to visit. I can do my non-individual registration. I can do my individual registration and do many other things and be able to go through the tax laws and, understand what it contains and everything, right? So I believe this app will be updated very soon, and then it will have a lot of other updates on it. So That's one of the ways you'll be able to get access to generate your tin. Now the question is that if you want to get the tin fast track, then you can then reach out to us, send us your tracking ID, and for a fee, we'll get the JTB tin processed out for you.
Now, you are done creating the tax ID. The question is that how do you get it in 24 hours? And that's why I'm here, right? You will get it in 24 hours. All you need to do, I'll be dropping a WhatsApp group link down below in the description. Just click on the WhatsApp group link, join the group, and then you will chat up with the admin, pay whatever they ask you to pay to get it fast tracked. You will get the tin under 24 hours. This is no stress, right? I know you don't want to, take a lot of time doing one thing or the other. You have other things to do. So that is why this opportunity is available. Just go ahead, click on the group link, join the WhatsApp group. Once you join the WhatsApp group, you will be able to fast track your TIN number within 24 hours. You'll get that tax ID sent to your email, or you can re-download or send to your WhatsApp DM as well. Don't stress. There's no reason to stress. The tax ID can get to you at any point in time. That's what the service we provide. My name is Ezekiel. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.